nakalungkot, sumindak sa akin habang ako'y nasa Hong Kong, ay ang balita po na naghiwalay na si Bea at saka si Dominic Roque. I'm talking about Bea Alonzo and Dominic Roque. Bea is a good friend. I have known Dom when he was still a very young boy playing badminton. So ako'y nalungkot ho talaga dahil madalas pag nagkikita kami ni Bea ay nagkakakwentuhan ho kami tungkol sa buhay, tungkol sa kanila, their marriage plans, etc. So I was shocked na tama si OG Diaz po, si kaibigang OG nung kanyang balita na hiwalay na. As we talk today, yes, hiwalay po si Dominic at saka si Bea. Kakabalikan ba ito? Tatagumbay ba sa panunuyo si Dominic or sila ni Bea? We don't know. Wala ho makakasagot ng katanungan na yun. But of course, my prayer is that may God grant them what is best for them. Ito lamang ang nalilito ako. Diyan muna tayo sa hiwalay. So I am confirming, yes, that hiwalay sila ngayon. Bea ay isinuli na ang kanilang engagement ring. But are they hoping? Ako, ang hula ko is yes. Kasi hindi naman, you don't say, tomorrow I'm going to stop loving. Yung prenup po, ay medyo na-shock ko ako because ang pagkakaalam ko po, many months ago, napag-usapan ho ito sa aking pagkakaalam. And I'd like to confirm this with my friends, my sources. Because when this was being talked about, yung prenup po, ang nag-volunteer sa nanay ni Bea na okay ang prenup ay si Dominic. So I don't think it is and it was an issue unless nabago po yung kwento. So inuulit ko, it was not a problem because it was not an issue. To be fair to Dominic, it was not an issue for Dom. So did they call off the wedding? Yes. Pinapalabas na ang may problema si Bea Alonzo kasi naghiwalay sila ni Gerald Anderson, naghiwalay sila ni Zanjo Marudo, ay hindi nagtatagal ang kanyang mga relasyon. To me, napaka-judgmental po nun. Si Bea gusto ma-save ang relasyon na ito. Si Bea wants this to work. Punta naman tayo doon kay Dominic. Masakit din pakinggan. Walang pera, hindi mayaman, hindi sikat, hindi karapat-dapat kay Bea. Cruel. You have the right to comment, you have the right to share your opinion, pero sana'y, alam niyo po yun, let's exercise prudence, caution, and most important of all, kindness.